iPhone SE 2, the intended name of the new 4-inch Apple smartphone. iPhone SE 2 is one of the most awaited Apple devices, but the company hasn't yet made any official announcements about the launch of the device. The date of the presentation is iPhone SE 2, March 2019. The iPhone may be presented at Apple's March 2019 presentation. So say experts who point to the latest leaks and the recent hint of Apple itself to its interest in launching a new compact smartphone. Specifications: iPhone SE 2. 4-inch display. The system on the processor A10 Fusion, like the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. Improved main camera with a resolution of 12 megapixels. Improved front camera with a resolution of 8 megapixels. Support 3D Touch. Released iPhone SE 2, March 2019. What will be the iPhone SE 2? They told all the available details. iPhone SE 2 is the long-awaited and truly welcome Apple smartphone, which has not yet been announced. Should I wait for the iPhone SE 2, and what will be the smartphone if it does come out? We collected all the reliable information about the iPhone SE 2, no false rumors, only leaks from the most trusted sources. iPhone SE 2, release date, review, price, features, and photos. Note, we will update this theme with fresh, valid leaks until the official release of iPhone SE 2. Stay tuned. iPhone SE 2, will it come out or not? Let's start with the main question that most fans of the 4-inch form factor are interested in. Is Apple really developing the iPhone SE 2 and getting ready to release it? In 2018, it became known that Apple has real plans to launch iPhone SE 2. The company has registered new iPhone models in the database of the Eurasian Economic Commission. Apple is obliged to register all its devices in this database, which is why in previous years the whole world learned about the release of AirPods, iPhone 7, MacBook and iPad 2018 more than a month before the presentation. iPhone SE 2, release date, review, price, features, and photos. It is expected that Apple will release the iPhone SE 2 is not on the standard for themselves graphics. The original model was presented in March 2016, and all other iPhones of recent years were introduced to the world in September. The latest Apple smartphone, which was launched in June, was the iPhone 4 back in 2010. Below is a complete table of the dates of the presentation and start of sales of all Apple smartphones.